All right, asking questions with Bernie Andre.
Yes.
Bernie, I actually know Bernie isn't your real name.
It's not. It is not.
So what's your real name?
My real name is Jonathan.
Jonathan, and we call you Bernie because?
Growing up, 6th grade, when I tried out for the basketball team in 6th grade. I didn't make it, of course. There was my like little chubby days. Made everybody laugh during tryouts because I was always last in the running and stuff like that. So the coach gave me the nickname Bernie Mac. So as in Bernie Mac, so it's followed me ever since.
Since today is your day off, what is the first thing you ate?
Well, I ate a bagel with some cream cheese on it.
Ooh, regular or strawberry?
Regular. I wish I had strawberry, but you know, we're on a budget. Hello? Talk about it.
Is that Mama Andre?
Yes, it's Mama Andre.
Hey, Mama Andre.
She said, hi, how are you?
Good, how are you? How do I say that in Creole?
Hi, how are you?
Yeah.
Como ye?
Como es?
She said, como ye? She said, muy bien, I'm fine.
Oh, okay, good.
All right, I'm doing an interview. I will call you later. Thank you. All right. You sound pretty good.
Did I?
Speaking Creole. Yes.
Nice. Okay, favorite GIF?
Favorite GIF? It would have to be the GIF of Joe from the show You.
Oh, that is hilarious,
so
right?
I use the one where he goes like this a lot.
One thing you have to do every single day.
I gotta pray every day. When I wake up, during the middle of the day, before I go to sleep. It's one thing I gotta do every day.
What's your favorite thing to binge watch?
Game of Thrones, I watched all 8 seasons 4 times.
So where do you possibly find that much time to watch it?
You make time for what you want to make time for, and that was something I made time for.
What's the latest you stayed up watching Game of Thrones?
5 a.m.
And then you had practice the next day?
I'm not gonna say that on camera.
Do you have a favorite player or a favorite team?
I do have a favorite player. Dwayne Wade, favorite team.
Okay.
Miami Heat, of course.
Chicago man.
Yes.
I can appreciate that.
I consider him a Miami man. Miami man.
Because I do know that you were a Big Sky Newcomer of the Year.
I was.
How was that, and how did you find out?
I got the notification on Twitter. I mean, I was pretty excited for me being a new guy here and stuff like that. And
Yeah,
that's an interview, boy. You're not used to this, you see? It's my mini-me right here. I plan on giving him the torch sooner or later. This guy right here this guy's gonna be great. The future right here.
So what is your favorite thing about Flagstaff and NAU?
Favorite thing about Flagstaff, I don't like the cold, but I like looking at like the mountains and stuff when like snow's on top of it. I've never seen snow before growing up, so that's one thing I like about Flagstaff for sure.
So beautiful.
Yeah, and one thing I like about NAU, it's little robots.
All right, so Bertie, let me know, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like to sing. I'm a singer.
Are you?
Yes,
Oh my gosh.
I've been told I have a voice like Barry White. I don't know if you know who that is. That was back in my day.
Back in your day?
Definitely back in
All
my
right,
day.
now you
but-
have to sing for me.
Okay, I lost my voice. I gotta drink some tea and stuff.
One last question for you.
Yes.
What is your goal of the year for 2020?
Basketball goal, I would say winning the Big Sky Conference. I don't really care about individual awards anymore. And a personal goal is I'm getting ready to graduate in the spring, so finish off the semester right. That's my plan.
Awesome. Well, that's very selfless of you.
Of course. I'm a selfless person. I'm great on this.